Right now, sitting wherever you are, your body is ready to run. Not metaphorically, not as a figure of speech. The muscles in your legs are primed. Your cardiovascular system is capable of explosive acceleration within seconds. Your adrenal glands can flood your bloodstream with stress hormones faster than you can blink. And you have almost certainly never needed to use any of it. Not once. Not in your entire life. That is one of the strangest facts about being human in the modern world. You are carrying a body built for emergencies that almost never come. And the question worth asking is this: what happens to a machine that is always ready to fire but never gets to? The answer is stranger than you think. And it is written into almost everything that feels wrong about modern life. Your body is not designed for the life you are living. It is designed for a life of movement, unpredictability, and physical consequence. Every system inside you, from your heart to your hormones to your immune response, was shaped by millions of years of an existence that looked nothing like yours. Your ancestors did not sit. They did not commute. They did not spend 8 hours at a desk followed by 4 hours on a couch. They walked. They ran. They climbed, carried, hunted, fled. Movement was not exercise. Movement was survival. Anthropologist Daniel Lieberman at Harvard University has spent decades studying the evolution of the human body, and what he has found challenges almost everything modern culture assumes about health and effort. Lieberman argues that the human body did not evolve to be comfortable. It evolved to be used hard, regularly, and with genuine physical stakes. In his research on persistence hunting, the practice where early humans literally chased prey across open savanna until the animal collapsed from heat exhaustion, Lieberman found that the human body contains a suite of adaptations that make no sense unless you understand that running long distances was once a matter of life and death. You have an unusually large gluteus maximus for a primate. It exists almost entirely to stabilize your body during running. You have a neutral ligament in your neck, a feature shared with dogs and horses that stops your head from flopping forward when you move at speed. You sweat more efficiently than almost any other animal on the planet, which means you can keep going long after a four-legged animal has overheated and stopped. You were built to run, specifically, deliberately, over millions of years, and now you do not. Think about the last time your body actually did what it was designed to do. Not a gym session, not a walk to the car. A genuine, urgent, full-body physical effort where something was at stake. For most people alive today in the developed world, the honest answer is never, or so long ago you cannot remember, and your body notices. Exercise physiologist Frank Booth at the University of Missouri coined a term for what happens to a body that does not move the way it evolved to move. He called it physical inactivity disease. Not a metaphor. A physiological state in which the absence of the movement your genes expect triggers a cascade of internal dysfunction. Your muscles begin to atrophy. Your insulin sensitivity drops. Chronic low-level inflammation increases. Your cardiovascular system becomes less efficient. Your brain, which evolved to receive regular signals from a moving body, begins to alter its chemistry in ways associated with anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. Booth's research suggests that sedentary behavior is not simply a neutral state, the absence of something good. It is an active physiological stress, a condition the body interprets as a kind of malfunction, because for the vast majority of human evolution, a body that was not moving was a body that was sick, injured, or dead. Here is what that means for you right now. Every hour you sit, your body is running a background check. It is looking for the signals it expects. Movement, exertion, the feel of muscles under load. And when those signals do not come, it does not simply wait patiently. It begins to adjust. It downregulates systems that are not being used. It reduces the resources it sends to muscles it assumes are not needed. It shifts its internal chemistry in ways that feel, from the inside, like low energy, low mood, vague restlessness, and a persistent sense that something is slightly wrong. That persistent feeling that something is slightly wrong. You know the one. Most people assume it is psychological. Stress, anxiety, existential modern malaise. And sometimes it is. But research increasingly suggests that for many people, Part of what they are feeling is simply a body waiting for a signal that never comes. Neuroscientist John Ratey at Harvard Medical School, author of the landmark book Spark, has documented in extensive detail what happens inside the brain when the body moves. Exercise triggers a cascade